How to Drink a Glass of Water by Pedro Maia. Today we're gonna learn how to drink a glass of water. You'll need a glass or cup. Remember, for this to work you're going to need water, so find a source of available water for a positive effect. In this case, we are going to use tap water. So, use your claw technique to open the tap. Carefully position your glass under the tap's water disposal area to fill the glass with water. How to drink. Use your basic survival instinct methods, such as ability to hold the glass cup and holding your breath while swallowing. Remember, holding your breath while swallowing should be an innate human skill, so it is unlikely that you kill yourself. You learn how to drink a glass of water.